Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about default arguments, part of programming in C++ course. Default arguments in C++ allow a function to have default values for one or more of its parameters. If a default value is specified for a parameter and the corresponding argument is omitted when the function is called, the default value will be used. To specify a default value for a parameter, you add an equal sign followed by the default value after the parameter in the function declaration. Here is an example of using default arguments in C++. In this code, the sum function has two parameters, x and y. And y has a default value of 10. When the function is called with 5 as an argument, the value of x is set to 5 and the value of y is set to 10, which is the default value. The output of the code is the sum of 5 and 10 is 15 and the sum of 5 and 20 is 25. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching.